Hello students, my name is Professor Muhammad Asim and we are doing AdMath. AdMath for IGCSE students which have syllabus code 0606 and for CIE O level students which have syllabus code 4037. So both kind of students can get equal benefit from this course. Students, in last lecture we started exercise 15.8. We did question number 1, all parts from part A to part L. Today we are going to do some more questions from this exercise, but before I start question number 2, I would suggest all those students who are watching my lecture first time, kindly go to my playlist. There is a folder, name is AdMath. Watch previous lecture of this exercise, then you will have good command on this topic. Let's start question number 2, exercise 15.8. Part A. Integrate 1 to 2 to x plus 1 cube dx. This is the kind of integration where we use the formula 1 upon a into n plus 1 ax plus b to the power n plus 1. You can see right side on your screen. This concept belongs to exercise 15.2. So if you want to do practice, kindly go to my playlist. I did all questions of 15.2. So the integration of 2x plus 1 is 2x, 3 plus 1 is 4 upon 4 multiply by the derivative of 2x plus 1, that is 2, and apply the limit 1 to 2. 4 to the 8, 8 goes outside. 2x plus 1 to the power 4, so apply upper limit 2 into 2 plus 1 to the power 4 minus lower limit 2 into 1 plus 1 to the power 4. Simplify it. 1 upon 8. 2 to the 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 to the power 4 is 625. Minus 2 ones are 2 plus 1 3. 3 power 4 is 81. 625 minus 81 is 544. Divided by 8, it's 68. This is our final answer of part A. So hope you enjoy this part. Move to part B. Integrate 0 to 6 2x plus 4 root. Root means half. So I am writing directly the value of root, that is half. And the integration obviously 2x plus 4. Half plus 1 is 3 upon 2. Upon 3 upon 2 must be reciprocal 2 upon 3. And upon the derivative of 2x plus 4, that is 2. And limit from 0 to 6. 2 cancel by 2. 1 upon 3 into 2 x. X is 6 plus 4 power 3 upon 2 minus 2 into x, lower limit is 0, plus 4 power 3 upon 2, 1 upon 3, 2 6 are 12, 12 plus 4 is 16, 16 power 3 upon 2, 2 into 0 is 0, 0 plus 4 is 4 to the power 3 upon 2, 1 upon 3, 16. 4 square cancel. 4 power 3 is 64, or you can use the calculator. 4 is 2 square, 2 cancel by 2, 2 power 3 is 8. 64 minus 8. 56 upon 3, or you can write this 18 whole 2 upon 3. Okay, so this is the answer of part B. Move to part C. So these are very easy questions. Just apply the formula which we have discussed earlier in exercise 15.2. C, 0 to 3 x plus 1 power 3, and root means 1 upon 2, which I am writing directly. So 0 to 3, 3 into 1 upon 2 is 3 upon 2 dx. In this case there is no coefficient of x, so we just add 1. 3 upon 2 plus 1 is 5 upon 2, and the reciprocal is 2 upon 5, and applying the limit 0 to 3. 2 upon 5, apply the limit 3 plus 1 power 5 upon 2 minus 0 plus 1 to 5 upon 2. 2 upon 5, 3 plus 1 4, 4 power 5 upon 2. 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 power 5 upon 2. 1 power something is always 1. 4 power 5 upon 2 is 2 square cancel by square, 32 minus 1. 2 upon 5, 32 minus 1 is 31. 31 2s are 31 2s are 62. 62 upon 5 is 12.4. This is our final answer of part C. Move to part D. Integrate minus 1 to 2, 12 upon x plus 4 cube dx. 12 must be outside, minus 1 to 2, and x plus 4 denominator becomes numerator, so it will be x power minus 3. Integration is very easy. 12 x plus 4 minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2 upon minus 2, and the limit from minus 1 to 2. 2 6 are 12 minus 6, and x plus 4 minus 2 becomes 1 upon x plus 4 square, and limit is minus 1 to 2. Apply the limit minus 6, 1 upon x is 2 plus 4 square, minus 1 upon x is minus 1 plus 4 whole square, close. Minus 6, 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 square is 36, so it is 1 upon 36, minus 4 minus 1 is 3, 3 square is 9. Take the LCM of 36, 1 minus 4, 1 minus 4 is minus 3 upon 36, minus plus 6 3 is 18 upon 36. 18 2s are 36. 1 upon 2 is 0.5. This is the answer of part D. Move to part E. Part E is integrate minus 1 to 1 2 upon 3x plus 5 square dx. First 2 goes outside, minus 1 to 1, and this 3x plus 5 square must becomes the numerator, so it will be 3x plus 5 power minus 2 dx. Now integrate to 3x plus 5 minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1 upon minus 1, and the derivative of 3x plus 5, which is 3, and limit from minus 1 to 1. So 3 ones are minus 3, it will be minus 2 upon 3 goes outside, and 3x plus 5 to the power minus 1 becomes 3x plus 5 power 1. No need to write positive 1, but negative 1 does matter. Apply the limit minus 2 upon 3, 1 upon 3x, x is 1, 1 plus 5, minus 1 upon 3 into x, x lower limit is minus 1 plus 5, minus 2 upon 3, 1 upon 3 ones are 3 plus 5 is 8, minus 3 ones are minus 3 plus 5 is 2, minus 2 upon 3, taking the LCM 8, 1, 2 4s are 8, minus 2 upon 3, 4 minus 1 is minus 3 upon 8, 3 3s are cancelled, 2 2s are 2 4s are 8, sorry, plus 1 upon 4, or plus 1 upon 4 can be right 0.25. This is the answer of part E. So hope you enjoy this part as well. This is very important according to examination point of view. Move to last part F. Part F is limit minus 4 to 0, 6 over 4 minus 3x square root dx. Very easy question. 6 right outside, minus 4 to 0, 4 minus 3x, root means half, and when this root becomes numerator, it will be minus half. Now we are able to integrate 6, 4 minus 3x, minus 1 upon 2 plus 1 is plus 1 upon 2, dot upon 2 becomes 2 upon 1 2, and divide the derivative of 4 minus 3x, which is minus 3, and limit is minus 4 to 0. So 3 2s are 6, 2 2s are 4, minus plus minus 4, this will goes to outside, and now apply the limit. 4 minus 3 into x, x is 0, half, minus 4 minus 3 dot minus 4 power half, minus 4, so 4 3 zeros are 0, half, minus 4 minus minus plus 3 4s are 12, half, minus 4, 4 power half is 2, minus 12 plus 4 16, 16 power half is 4, 2 minus 4 is minus 2, 4 2s are 8, minus minus plus. This is the answer of part F. So hope you enjoy completely question number 2, part A to part F. Now move to question number 3. So students, definite integration is very easy if your concept of indefinite integral is clear. Very easy question. Part A. Integrate 0 to 1 e2x dx. So e2x integration is e2x upon 2 and limit from 0 to 1. So 1 upon 2, apply the limit e 2 into 1 minus e 2 into 0. e2 into 1 e2, e2 into 0 e0, and e0 is 1. So 1 upon 2 e square minus 1 is the final answer. No need to evaluate the value of e from your scientific calculator. It is not required. Part B, 0 to 1 upon 4 e4x dx. So e4x integration is e4x upon 4 and limit is 0 to 4. So 1 upon 4 e4, I am applying limit, x is 1 upon 4 minus e 4 into x, x is 0. 4 cancel by 4, e1 minus e 4 into 0 is 0 and something to the power 0 is 1. So 1 upon 4 e minus 1 is our final answer of part B. Move to part C. Integrate 0 to 5 e minus 2x dx. 5 goes outside, e minus 2x integration is e minus 2x upon minus 2 and limit is 0 to 5. Sorry, not 0 to 5, 0 to 2. This is my mistake. 0 to 2. So 5 minus 5 upon 2, applying the limit, e power minus 2 into 2 minus e power minus 2 into 0. So minus 5 upon 2, e minus 2 to the minus 4 minus 1. Minus 5 upon 2 e power minus 4 becomes 1 upon e power 4. Or you may write minus 5 upon 2, taking the LCM of e4, 1 minus e4. Or multiply minus sign to the bracket, it will be 5 into minus e4 become plus e4, plus 1 becomes minus 1 upon e4, 2e4. So I am just making the answer which is showing in the book. So 5 into e power 4 minus 1 upon 2e power 4. Move to part D. Limit 0 to 1 upon 3 e1 minus 3x dx. Again very easy integration, e1 minus 3x upon the derivative of power is minus 3 and limit 0 to 1 upon 3. Minus 1 upon 3, applying limit e1 minus 3 into x, x is 1 upon 3 minus e1 minus 3 into x, x is 0. Upper limit is 1 upon 3, lower limit is 0. So minus 1 upon 3 e, 3 cancel by 3, 1 minus 1 is 0. E, 3 into 0 is 0, 1 minus 0 is 1. So minus 1 upon 3, e0 is 1 minus e1. So 1 upon 3, 1 minus e, or you may write, multiply minus sign to the bracket, it will be 1 upon 3 minus e becomes plus e, plus 1 becomes minus 1, answer. So left the answer in the form of exponent or E. Move to part E. Integrate 0 to 1, 5 over e 2x minus 1 dx. 5 goes outside the sign of integration, and e power 2x minus 1, when it becomes numerator, it will be 1 minus 2x. Integrate 5 e1 minus 2x integration e1 minus 2x upon minus 2, and limit is 0 to 1. So minus 5 upon 2, applying limit, e1 minus 2 into 1 minus e1 minus 2 into 0. So minus 5 upon 2, e1, 2 ones are 2, minus e1 minus 2 zeros are 0. So minus 5 upon 2, e is minus 1 minus e, minus 5 upon 2 is 1 upon e minus e. So minus 5 upon 2, take the LCM e, it will be 1 minus e square, or you may write the answer. If you multiply minus e by the bracket, it will be 5 e square minus 1 upon 2e. 5 into e square minus 1 upon 2e. This is the answer of part E. Move to part F. Part F is integrate 0 to 1 ex plus 1 square dx. In this case, first we have to expand ex plus 1 by using the result a plus b whole square. A square 2x plus 2 ex, 1 square is 1 dx. Now integrate each term one by one. E2x integration is e2x upon 2, limit 0 to 1, plus 2 ex integration is ex, limit 0 to 1, plus 1 dx integration is x, limit 0 to 1. 1 upon 2 e2x is e to 1 minus e2 into 0, plus 2 e1 minus e0, plus 1 minus 0. One upon 2 e2 minus 2 into 0 is 1, e1 is e0 is 1, plus 2 e1 is e, and e0 is 1, and plus 1 minus 0 is 1. Now simplify it. 1 upon 2 e square minus 1 upon 2 plus 2e minus 2 plus 1. So 1 upon 2 e square plus 2e, minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1, minus 1 minus 1 upon 2 is minus 3 upon 2. If we take the common 1 upon 2 from all the terms, it will be e square, 2 cancel by 2, 2 2s are 4e, 2 cancel by 2 minus 3. This is the answer in your book. No need to make the answer in the book exactly. Our purpose is integration, not making the answer in the book. But I always try to make the answer, because some student says that, sir, you are doing wrong, answer is not matching. So keep in mind, our goal is to integrate, not make the answer in the book. Part G. Integrate 0 to 1 ex e2x square. Again we have to use the result a plus b whole square, e2x plus 2, ex2x is 3x plus e2x square, it is 2 to the 4x, and integrate 0 to 1 dx. Now e2x integration is e2x upon 2 limit 0 to 1 plus 2, e3x integration is e3x upon 3 limit 0 to 1 plus e4x upon 4 limit 0 to 1. So 1 upon 2 e2x, x is 1, so 2 ones are 2, minus e2 into 0, e0 is 1, so I am writing directly, plus 2 upon 3 e3x, x is 1, 3, and 3 into 0, e0 is 1, 1 upon 4 e4x is e4 minus obviously 1. Now simplify it. 1 upon 2 e square minus 1 upon 2, 2 upon 3 e cube minus 2 upon 3 plus 1 upon 4 e4 minus 1 upon 4. Writing in order, 1 upon 4 e4, 2 upon 3 e cube, 1 upon 2 e square. Now 3 terms, 3 constants, minus 1 upon 2, minus 2 upon 3, minus 1 upon 4. Solve this. Minus 17 upon 12. Now taking 1 upon 12 is common. So 4 3s are 12. So it will be 3e4 plus 3 4s are 12 and 4 2s are 8 e cube. 2 6s are 12, 6 1s are 6 e square. 12 cancel by 12 minus 17. So 1 upon 12, 3e4 plus 8e cube plus 6e square minus 17 is our final answer. Move to part H. Integrate 0 to 1, 3ex minus 2 upon ex whole square dx. Again we have to apply a minus b whole square formula. So a square minus 2 a b plus b square. 3ex square is 9e2x minus ex cancel by ex. 2 3s are 6, 2s are 12 plus 2 square is 4 upon e2x. Now integrate is 9 e2x integration is e2x upon 2 limit 0 to 1 minus 12 dx, it will be x from 0 to 1 plus 4 e2x becomes e minus 2x, e minus 2x is e minus 2x upon minus 2 limit 0 to 1. So 9 upon 2 applying limit e2x minus e2x. So first is 1, so e2 minus e2 into 0 is e0, e0 is 1, minus 12 x, x is 1, 1 minus 0, 2 to the 4, minus 2, 1 upon e2x, so e square minus 1 upon 2 into 0 is 0, 0 is 1, 9 upon 2, e square, 9 upon 2 into 1, 9 upon 2, minus 12, minus 2 upon e square, minus minus plus 2. So 9 upon 2 e square minus 2 upon e square, 12 minus 2 is minus 10, minus 9 upon 2, and final answer is 9 upon 2 e square minus 2 upon e square. 10 to the 20 plus 9 is minus 29 upon 2. This is our final answer of part H. So hope you enjoy completely. Move to last part I. Zero to 2, 3 plus 8 e power 2x upon 2 e power x dx. First we have to divide both terms by 2 e power x. 0 to 2, 3 upon 2 ex plus 8 e2x upon 2 ex dx. 3 upon 2 goes outside. 0 to 2 ex becomes e minus x numerator dx plus 2 for the 8, 4, integrate e2x minus x is x, limit 0 to 2 dx. Now integrate e minus x integration e minus x upon minus 1, limit 0 to 2, plus 4 ex integration is ex, limit 0 to 2. Minus goes outside, minus 3 upon 2 e minus x becomes e power x, limit 0 to 2, plus 4 ex 0 to 2. Applying limit 1 upon e2 minus 1 upon e0 is 1, plus 4 e2 minus 1. More simplification, minus 3 upon 2 into 1 upon e square, minus minus plus 3 upon 2 plus 4 e square, 4 ones are 4. So 4 e square, this one, minus 3 upon 2 e square, this one, 3 upon 2 minus 4, 2 4s are 8, 8 minus 3 is minus 5 upon 2. So 4 e square minus 3 upon 2 e square minus 5 upon 2 is our answer. So hope you enjoy completely the whole question number 3. And this is our today's class, where we did question number 2 and question number 3. What next? Question number 4, definite integration of trigonometric functions. Question number 5, definite integration of ln function, and some word problems. So I will try to finish remaining questions in 2 lectures. So students, kindly do practice more and more, and if you have any problem in this exercise, in this lecture or any lecture which we have already uploaded, already done, kindly write in comment box. I will help you. And don't forget to and one more thing which I forgot to tell you, that after chapter 15 we will start chapter number 16, which is the applications of integration. Kindly do subscribe my channel, and whenever you subscribe, don't forget to press the bell icon button so that when I upload my videos, you will get the notification. Kindly share my videos as many as you can. Okay students, good luck for next